Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to disconnect your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And right here at the third line we have a button Disconnect, and you need to click at this button. Before I click on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your speaker, you will stop Bluetooth connection with it, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your speaker, you will totally remove your speaker from your phone. So if you need this, just select Forget this device button. But let's disconnect it. So disconnect. And as I said, I just stop Bluetooth connection with the speaker, but still have it as a device list, and I can easily reconnect this speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!